Ethiopian Airlines said I'm lying.
Do not touch us. Do not touch us.
Ethiopian Airlines said my video was not true. Aisha, you were the one I recorded in that video.
Yes.
Were you a standby passenger?
We had multiple city tickets, and in all our tickets, I already have my seats reserved. So I already knew when I get on the plane which seat I would be sitting on throughout all my planes, my travel.
When did you book these tickets?
I booked them around, I think it was 5th of March.
So you had these tickets for months?
For months, yeah.
With seats on them?
With seats on them. And we only get to find out at the gates that our tickets are on standby, which we weren't informed at the check-in when our bags were being checked in. Nobody said anything. Our bags came to Nairobi that day.
Did they ever apologize to you?
No, not at all.
Have you heard from anybody at Ethiopian Airlines?
They have not tried to contact me to reach out. No apologies. I mean, it's horrible.
How did you know there was a minister on the plane?
I was told by one of the staff members of the Ethiopian Airlines. They said that the reason why you cannot fly right now is because a minister has boarded the plane last minute. Therefore, you guys cannot fly, and we will put you on the next available flight. When I asked, is that tomorrow or when is that, they're like, we can't guarantee you the next flight, so you would just have to wait and see. My
video is only 37 seconds. What happened after the video stops?
So when the video stops, I was taken off the plane. My husband was also traveling with me. He was kept outside the plane, which you didn't manage to get in your video. Police came, the Ethiopian authorities came. They told us that we had to delete all our videos.
They made you delete the video that you were recording?
Yes, so the airline and the Ethiopian police were together. The Ethiopian police told us, give us your phone because this is against the law. We didn't want to break the law, we respect the Ethiopian government, so we gave them our phones. They deleted all our videos, and then they told us, please give us your passports as well, because the airline will book you on the next available flight, which was in the morning, but that was not booked. So they took our passports. We never received our passports after that.
So you were essentially stranded at the Addis Ababa airport?
For 24 hours, yeah.
For 24 hours?
24 hours, because we got on the flight in the next evening at 11.
So Ethiopian Airlines said you were put on the next available flight, but you're actually stuck at Addis for 24 more hours.
24 hours. You were put on the next flight, no, not the next flight, the flight at 11:15, the next day.
Did they give you a hotel?
Not at all. No accommodation, no hotel. There was absolutely no help. They told us, we're not going to give you anything. Just come back to us 6 o'clock in the morning and we'll see if you are able to fly.
How did you feel about that treatment?
I felt scared, I felt terrified, I felt like I was stripped naked because they took my identity card, my passport, so I felt like a criminal because I wasn't able to do anything. I felt like they were showing their power to a civilian.
Are you considering any action against the airline?
To be honest, this is a very unfair thing that they've done. There's no apologies, there's no nothing from them, there's no communication. There was no communication when we were there, there's still no communication, and we will see when we get back to London the measurements that we're going to take. It's something we're taking into consideration.